Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Tyr Rewards, and maybe you're wondering, can you really make money from this actual website just playing games? Let's check it all out, right? Anytime you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. So let's check out Tyr Rewards to find out if it really is the greatest #1 reward platform ever, seriously, or is it a big waste of time? Let's check it out, okay? Now, Tyr Rewards is basically a little gaming app. It's pretty cool, right? You can basically come here and it says that, you know, they've handpicked amazing games that they can make you good money, okay? And we'll check that out in a second. Get paid every minute you play, all right? And there's a spelling error right there, right? Get big rewards, achieving milestones, okay? Quick rewards for easy payout and that kind of thing, right? Play more than 500 games. So it's a pretty standard game offer downloadable website. So you can come to the Google Play Store and you can install it, and you can see that, you know, a lot of people have downloaded this particular app, all right? And it's actually a pretty cool app. So once you download it, there's going to be different games that you can basically play, okay? And the way that it works is with these guys specifically, what will actually happen is you have to hit milestones in the games in order to get points. That's how it works, right? So it's not just about playing the games and then, you know, if you play for 1 minute, you get paid. You know, there are some gaming applications like that, but this is not how Tyr Rewards works, all right? For these ones, you have to basically check exactly what you need to do. This is basically called a downloadable offer, right? So you download the game, you play it, but you must hit certain milestones in the game in order to be rewarded those points. So for example, you may get nothing for reaching level 10, but if you reach level 50, then you might get you know, a certain number of points, maybe, you know, 50,000 points, 20,000 points, or whatever it is. We'll talk about what the value of the points are in a second. But essentially what you have to do is within a specific time frame, you have to hit a certain milestone in the game. That's how it works, okay? So for example, you have to get to level 100 within 3 days, within 72 hours of downloading the game. And if you do that, they'll pay you out the reward. Now, if you deviate from any of the instructions, you're not going to get the points, okay? So some people, they complete the thing, you know, they might hit level 100, which by the way might take a very long time, right? It might take you a week, 2 weeks, a month to hit level 100, but the requirements might be like you have to do it within 7 days, or you might have to do it within 3 days. Now, if you can't do that, you're not going to get the points. So just understand that. And what I would do is I would be very careful. I would really check exactly what the requirements are, okay? So the more games you play, the more milestones you hit. As long as it's within those rules, then you will get the associated amount of points, and then you can convert those points into a few different things. You can get PayPal money, which is good. You can get crypto, and you can get gift cards, all right, which is really cool, okay? Now, in terms of the threshold, it used to be $1 to withdraw, but they've changed it recently, okay? They've increased it significantly. So if you're a brand new player, you have to reach $20 before you can withdraw into PayPal, gift cards, or crypto. Now, $20 might not sound like a lot of money, but the thing is, with these kind of apps, $20 is definitely on the higher side, okay? Because unfortunately, with these kind of games, right, it's going to take you a little bit of time for you to get the points, okay? It's not that you can't. When everything works, and we'll talk about that in a second, right? If everything works well and there's no glitches or anything like that, you know, if you're playing this for a few hours every single day and you're hitting milestones, you might be able to earn about $1 or $2 per day. All right, so for a few hours of your time, it's roughly about $1 per hour, roughly. Okay, it depends on where you live. It depends on how good your skills are. But in general, that's kind of what you can expect from an app like this. All right. So how long is it going to take you to make $20? It might take you 20 days. It might take you 30 days. It might take you a little bit longer, right? It just depends on how good you are, how active you are. But roughly about a month before, you know, you see anywhere close to $20. Okay, some people, you know, will never even hit that because they're just not hitting the milestones in the game. So it just really depends. All right, so that's kind of the way the game works, right? Which is pretty simple. And generally speaking, it's got a really high rating. Okay, 4.8 stars, right? But I like to kind of dig into it and see what people have been experiencing recently. And unfortunately, in more recent reviews, a lot of people have been giving it 1 or 2 stars, okay? So you can see 2 stars, 2 stars, 1 star, 2 stars, 1 star, 1 star, 1 star, a lot of 1 stars, 1 star, 4 stars, 5 stars, 5 stars, 1 star, 1 star, 1 star. You get the idea, okay? So here's basically what people have been saying. A lot of people have said that it used to be a good app, but in recent times, they've been having a lot of issues. So there are two main issues that people are reporting currently, right? And apps go through different life cycles, right? Sometimes it's really good, customer service is awesome, everything's working. Sometimes it's not working so well, there are glitches and things like that. So at the time of recording this video, which is pretty current, right? There are two main things. Number one, they're saying that the support is not very good. Okay, so when you have a problem and you're trying to solve it, unfortunately, the support is not great. The second problem is that when people play the app and the games, unfortunately, sometimes, right, not all the time, but sometimes, they're not getting credited for the things that they're doing. Okay, so some people have reported that they're doing the actual thing, they're hitting milestones within the certain time frame, but they're still not getting credited for actually achieving that milestone. And that's kind of a problem, because if you're here playing this gaming app because you're trying to make money, then and you're not getting credited for the effort that you're actually putting in, and you're actually doing it properly, then that's not a good thing, right? So again, I'm not saying that this happens all the time, but this is what some people have been reporting more recently, and it seems like quite a few people are having the same issue. You can see a lot of 1 stars, right? So a lot of these 1 stars are the same, but if you look at the 5 stars, some people say that the 5 stars, that everything's great, okay? So I think it really depends on your luck, unfortunately, okay? So if you download the app and you're lucky and everything's great, then that's great, all right? You just go ahead and play it, have fun, but remember that you're not going to get rich with an app like this. You're looking at, again, $1, $2 a day, maybe, right? Some people will not even earn that much, because you really have to put in quite a lot of time and be very patient with this and reach the high levels and make sure that you're hitting milestones in order for you to earn those points and those rewards, okay? But for some people, it might be a little bit glitchy and you might not get credited. You might not be able to, get an answer from customer support. Only you can, you're gonna have to test it out and see whether this is something that really works for you, right? But overall, I would say, if I'm someone who really wants to make money, this is probably not the direction I would go down, because gaming apps are not designed to make you rich, okay? Best case scenario, everything works. You play the games, you have fun, and you might be able to make $1 or $2 a day. That's pretty much it, all right? But you're not going to make thousands of dollars. You're not going to make hundreds and hundreds. You're not going to make, money that's going to help you retire or, replace your full-time income, nothing like that, right? So if you're looking more for that type of income, this is definitely not the way to do it. But if you want to play games, have a bit of fun, get a little bit of rewards as you're playing the games, then sure, you can try out Tyr Rewards at tyrrewards.com, okay? If you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to generate bigger income. If this is the first time that you're on my channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make income online, big income. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. A lot of strategies are not that great, honestly, but there are some that are really good. I've tested them. I put in my own hard-earned money, my own time, and out of all of them, there's one that I use to completely change my life. I use it to replace my full-time income. I make 5 times what I used to in my old corporate job, and I do this 100% from home right now. And I think this is great for beginners who want to earn big income from home. I've got a free masterclass that goes through this step by step. If you want to check it out, there's a link right below this video that you can go through if you would like, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of Tyr Rewards. All the best to you. Hope to see you on another video review. Take care.